Hi, welcome to my video on using Jenkins with webhooks. So one of the things you want to do with Jenkins is create a build where you're going to be able to send things to GitHub, and as soon as things are pushed to GitHub, you'll have Jenkins produce a build. So here's some software that I've been tinkering with. This software simply builds simulators for old computers, but we can take a look at the software here. And here's all the files in here. So this build basically will run from a script that I know makes it work. And we can take a look at that basically to see how it works. I set the build up like this. And you'll see that there's my URL for the build out on GitHub. My login stuff. The master. The build triggers build when a change is pushed to GitHub. So I don't want to pull it. I want to say if there's a change that is pushed to GitHub, I want the build to work. It's not real smart on what change I push, but as long as something is pushed. So here we're going to make the PDB-10 computer simulator. So that's about it for that. And so Jenkins is simply sitting here with this one little build waiting for something to happen. So if I do a push out to the GitHub, it should go. So let's put some file in here. So locally I have this repository here, which is pretty much the same as what's on GitHub. So let's make a file here. VI, I call it a test run file or something, doesn't matter what it is. VI test run, this is a test run to show a webhook. Very easy. Okay, let's do a git, add the file test run. That puts this thing now into our repository. Onto the head, let's commit it. We'll say this is going to be a test run for webhook demo. There it is. Now let's push it out. I always forget the push command. So I'll look at some old command I have. That's not going to work. So let's copy one of these and push it out. So the fun thing here is as soon as I push this out to GitHub, you're going to see Jenkins fire up. So here's my Jenkins right here. Let's push this thing out. Okay, do the push. There it is, and you can see on Jenkins the build fired up. It queued it, and it'll soon run the build from the queue. And it built it. Let's refresh our Jenkins screen here. So you can say that this build worked, which is pretty fabulous, right? So anyway, this was an easy thing to do, but it's hard to set up. So in the next video, I will show you how to set up all this stuff, and it is pretty involved. So hang on to your hat, and see you on the next video for setting up a Jenkins automated Git build with push. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.